Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to permanently add subtitles to a video using VLC media player. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the VLC media player. So if you don't have the latest version, you can simply go and download the latest version from the website and then just open up the VLC media player like this. And then first of all, what you need to do is simply go with the media option right over here and then go with the convert option. After selecting the convert option, this dialog box will appear and then you need to add the media. So first of all, tap on the add and now you need to select the media. So suppose I have this video to be added a subtitle to it. So I will select this video from my desktop. As you can see from my desktop, I am selecting this video and then open. After that, tap on this option, select this option, use a subtitle file, then browse, and then you can simply browse the SRT file or any subtitle file as well. So as you can see, this file is SRT file, so I will go with this. If you have ASS file, you can also go with that. So as I mentioned before, I have the SRT file, so I will go with this, select this and tap on OK. All right, then what you need to do is simply tap on this icon, little icon right over here, to make it like this. A drop down menu will appear. Then from here you need to tap on the convert option right over here. Just tap on the convert and then just simply tap on the convert. Then from the profile you need to select this option. All right, then from the destination, just browse to the destination and now you need to just simply go without SRT. All right, just go without SRT and then tap on save. Okay, then save. Then what you need to do is to start this and it will start converting. So depending on your file size or depending on your length of the video, it will take some time. So as you can see, this is moving so fast for me, as this video is like 1 or 2 minutes long. So if you have a movie like 1 or 2 hour movie, then it will take some time, like 5 or 10 minutes. So after that, after converting it, let's just open the file. As you can see, we got another file which is simply just the video. So that's how you can simply permanently add the subtitle to a video using VLC media player. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.